Hello! Today we are unboxing the Kinetic Picture laser cut wood kit from Wooden City. Let's get started. Note the cute wood framing on the outside. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Paper, paper, paper. Some companies describe these kits as puzzles. This kit has taken it a step further and made the actual opening of the kit a puzzle. There's no latch or easy way to separate the edge pieces. Using a saw to cut the edge piece would probably work. But we're not going to do that. Let's try brute force. Nope. By getting the middle of the long edge pieces to separate from the kit at the middle, there is enough movement to pull a corner apart. There we go! After one corner is separated, it's simply a matter of unwrapping the wood strips. The instructions and smaller pieces were sandwiched in the middle. Also, the front and back piece, which come as individual pieces, were sandwiched in the middle. Big pieces! And they are numbered. There are 4 sheets containing all of the gears and other pieces for the project. And Lakenaith arrives! No, that is not food. The instructions look reasonable, with detailed diagrams and typical symbols. Behold, Lakenaith, the overseer. The plastic packet contains all of the smaller pieces. This includes 2 sizes of wood dowels, toothpicks, 2 sizes of rubber band, and 1 black thread. Can you see the black thread? It should be an interesting project. The wild Lakenaith inspects the kit. Will he approve, or just try to eat it? No munching on the small pieces. He's back. He shows complete lack of interest, probably because it doesn't move yet. We'll score that as a win. See you next time to work on the gears.